Hi, welcome to Ohio Notary Services and BecomeAnOhioNotary.com. Ohio Notary Services is the only company approved by the Ohio Secretary of State to provide you with the education and testing you need to renew your Notary Public Commission, as well as to help you become a remote online notary. We've created this brief video to help you understand the steps you need to take to renew your Ohio Notary Public Commission. First, you need to obtain a formal Bureau of Criminal Investigation or BCI background check. The link that you see on the screen will take you to the Ohio Attorney General's website, which has a search function for you to find a location near you where you can go to have the background check conducted. And there are two important things for you to remember when you have that done. The first is you must use the reason code 147.022. 147.022. This tells the Bureau of Criminal Investigation that you're looking for a notary background, and they will look for the disqualifying offenses spelled out in Ohio law regarding the Notary Commission. Then you must have the report sent to you. Do not send the report to the Secretary of State. Do not send the report to Ohio Notary Services. Mail it to home. Mail it to your home, because you will need to take a copy of that and upload it to the Secretary of State's website in a couple of steps ahead. So step 2 is go to BecomeAnOhioNotary.com. Visit us. View the 1-hour class that is required under Ohio law to renew your Notary Commission. Once you've completed the class, download the Successful Completion Certificate to your computer, because you are going to, in step 3, visit the Ohio Secretary of State's website, and you can see that on your screen now. It's on that website where you will upload your background search certificate and your completion certificate from Ohio Notary Services. You'll select File Notary Commission Applications, fill out the appropriate information that the Secretary of State is requesting, upload the forms, and then just wait for the Secretary of State to send you your commission. And once the Secretary of State does that, you've got step number 4. Return to BecomeAnOhioNotary.com to update your notary stamp and seal with your new expiration date. Then step 5 is pretty simple. You're done. There isn't a step 5. Just remember to visit us at Ohio Notary Services again in 5 years when it is time to renew your commission. And lastly, we want to say thank you for watching. We're happy to answer questions for you at info@BecomeAnOhioNotary.com, or give us a call at 330-436-0118. So thank you for spending the last few minutes with us, and be sure to visit Ohio Notary Services at BecomeAnOhioNotary.com. Thank you.